5 tips that will help you survive a toxic work environment. 1. Never let your emotions control you. The emotions are the most powerful forces in our lives. They can make us do things that we never thought we would do. The emotions can also be used as a tool to motivate and inspire others. It is important to learn how to control your emotions so that you don't let them take over your life, and so you can use them for a good purpose. There are many ways to control your emotions, and it is important to find what works best for you. 2. Ignore what other people think of you. Be yourself and you will be happy. This is a quote that has been said by many people. It's a simple quote, but it has a lot of meaning. Society has put so much pressure on people to conform to what society wants them to be like, but the truth is that no one can be perfect. What makes us special and unique is our flaws. If we were all perfect, then we would all be the same person. In this world, there are so many different types of people with different beliefs, backgrounds, and lifestyles. We should embrace these differences because they make us who we are. 3. Find purpose outside of work. You may have to put in more hours of work than you would like. However, this does not mean that you have to spend all of your time working. You should find ways to fill up your time outside of work with things that you enjoy. For example, if you love reading and writing, then commit more time to it by reading books and writing regularly. Some people find meaning and purpose outside of their work through volunteerism or participating in other activities that they are passionate about, like cooking or drawing. 4. Bolster your self-esteem. In the workplace, self-esteem is a key factor in determining how successful you are going to be. It can affect your productivity and your ability to work well with others. It is important for people to have high self-esteem because it can help them succeed in their career. They will feel better about themselves and will be more confident when they are working with other people. Self-esteem can also motivate people to keep trying even when things get difficult or stressful. Self-esteem is an important factor that affects how well one does in their career because it affects many aspects of their work life, such as productivity and how well they work with others. People should have a high self-esteem because it motivates them to keep trying even when things get difficult or stressful, which ultimately leads to success.